హూ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ యాక్టర్ ఇన్ తెలుగు సినిమా?
ఎన్టీఆర్ గారు.
సార్ ఉప్పినట్టు ఎప్పుడు చేస్తున్నారు రాయనాం?
దానిలో ఉప్పినట్టు స్టోరీ లేదు, దాంట్లో అయిపోయింది కదా. సిక్స్ ప్యాక్స్ కావాలా? ఆన్ ద వే. ఇప్పుడే సమోసా తిన్నాను, తర్వాత.
Sir, what is your favorite food in the Telugu states?
దట్ గోంగూర చట్నీ ఐ లైక్ వెరీ మచ్. I had gongura mutton once. So that is only available in Telugu people. So wherever I go, Telugu family the lunch కోసం వెళ్ళే. So they give the gongura chutney and gongura mutton. It was yummy and I liked it.
I don't want to ask anything. I just want to greet you with a whistle.
Please do that. Uncle, I love you, ma'am.
I love you too.
Vijay sir, I love you too, sir. No, oh, sorry. I thought one by one you are coming. Yeah. I love that ma'am also. Abraham madam. Abraham. So you got the mic to propose to everybody. Yes, sir. Propose.
I love you కాకుండా ఇంకేమైనా క్వశ్చన్?
I wanna hug Vijay sir.
అడగండి.
Hug. I want to hug from Vijay sir.
Abba,
You have only love. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir, my name is Shravan. And,
My name is Vijay Sethupathi.
Thank you, sir. Sir, my family is whole big fan of yours actually. See, my dad, my mom, and my brother.
Hi.
Yeah, huge
Family
fans.
అందరికీ
Yeah.
నమస్కారం.
They know that on the first day pizza movie we choosing the Ravata. From that time we are huge fans of yours.
Thank you.
So
Sir.
and from that time we didn't even leave a single movie which we didn't miss on the first day of yours.
Thank you so much.
Sir, and we will continue as well. And I stayed next to this. I just stayed behind this wall in upper itself.
Okay.
So I have to just jump and I have to come here and I have to watch this movie on the first day. And I promise that I will watch it.
You took so much risk, sir. Thank you.
Sir, for you it is okay.
Thank you, sir.
And always. And congratulations to everyone. And I wish that this movie will be a huge hit.
You have a beautiful smile, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys.
சார்
Yes, ma'am.
நீங்க இங்க வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் சார். என்ன சொல்றதுன்னு தெரியல. ஒரு ஆட்டோகிராஃப் கொடுப்பீங்களா சார் ப்ளீஸ்?
Yes, sure.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ అండ్ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్.
మీకోసం హోంవర్క్
She left her homework.
అలా ఎందుకు చేస్తావమ్మా?
నేను మిమ్మల్ని కలవడానికి వచ్చాను.
కానీ హోంవర్క్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ కదా.
కొంచెమే మిగిలిందని వదిలేసా.
Don't do this again, okay? Okay, don't do this again.
కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుని సినిమాకి కూడా వెళ్ళు, ఓకేనా? జూన్ 13th.